Hi YouTube, and today I'm gonna be playing Epic Minigame. So anyways, I am gonna be going with my friend Maddie Plays. You can friend her in Discord and Roblox. Just make a Discord account, make a Google account, and and maybe you can like be a YouTuber or a hacker. A hacker is a hacker slash YouTuber. That means you hack and put it on YouTube.
But I'm not a hacker. Look at my arm. Look at my
Okay. What? What the? Please stand by. What the? What the F? Ooh, gear battery. I hate this. I hate this. No! I hate this. I'm getting a weapon. Yes, I got the Maleficent. Yeah, I got the Maleficent. Maleficent. I got Miss. Spectate me. Spectate me. Come and spectate. Yes, and I'm killing her. She's AFK. Oh, she died. Yeah, I won. Yeah, I got good weapons. I avoid PEE. Anyways, you two, we're gonna. Yes, we are gonna be magical by hacking. I know how to hack. I can hack to finish game. Thank you. Put it in the garden.
This one I hate.
I'm gonna hack. I'm about to hack. I hate this one. You keep on falling freaking down. That's what I hate about it. They put so many thin walls.
I haven't fallen off the edge yet.
No.
I was about to fall off the edge. You haven't uploaded anything.
I did.
What do you need to do?
I see it.
I turned the bell off, and I did not get it.
Wait, let me see. Wait, Look, let me show you. Sorry if my baby sister is talking and you don't understand. Please stand by.
What's this one? Oh.
See, I told you. Anyways, back to Epic Minigames. Oof. Is this one? The one you want, Nadia? Emmy, stop. I'll let you say, okay? That's what it is. No, I haven't. I'm going slow and steady as you said. I'm going slow and steady as you said. A little bit fast because I'm nearly there. I died. Oh, poop.
Die.
Yes.
I made it.
Everyone is coming
Let me
in.
see.
Galaxy.
Oh,
Guardians of the Galaxy. And if you know that movie, you should know it.
I'm gonna buy some.
Okay, two more,
Now,
three more.
now I got the achievement. I got the achievement back.
Okay. Now three more and mini games. Then I'ma end the vid, guys. I'ma end the vid. And if you don't know what that means, it's a video. I'm sorry to say this, but whoever does not know is dumb.
I know, right?
If you don't know this, I'm sorry, but you're dumb. If I die. I got a yes, I did. I did do this. No, I know, but I was like lagging, but it didn't show on screen share. Eval. Somebody's eval. Eval. Oof. You won. Okay, two more, then I'ma end the video. Two more, then I'ma end the video. Then you guys can have fun watching another vid of mine, which means video. Okay, this one is my favorite. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Who is she talking to? She's telling somebody to put some clothes on.
Why? Out of all the games, they have to choose.
Yeah, this is actually boring. I can do this by myself. I just spam it. I just spam going up and down, side and side, side and side. It's easy on computer. And yes, I'm in Windows 10. And I'm not trying to be a show off. Technically, I am. Actually, I'm not. I'm not a show off. Anyways, I got 10, 13, 13. I just spam. 17. Thanks. I know, right? That's so hard. Sorry. Uh-huh. Then I'm gonna make another vid today. I'm making some as soon as I get on the yeah. No, actually every time when I get on the computer, I'm just gonna make a video. Which team are you in? Sorry. No! Somebody don't freeze me! Help me, Nadia! No, not in the red team. Ooh, I dodged that girl. Seriously, not. So we're gonna end the video right here. I love you guys.